Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome to V Tutorials. Today I will be showing you a complete cameras guide. I'll be showing you what? A complete cameras guide. This is a Nikon camera. It's a Nikon camera. It's a Nikon products. Model D60. So today I'll be showing you a complete cameras guide. So we'll start from here. First, you can see these cameras have a lens. This is what we refer as lens. This, you can zoom it in, you can zoom it in, you can zoom it out. This is what we refer as lens. And this very lens ranging from 18 to 55. 18 to 55. So it's ranging from 18 to 55. You can see. So we'll start vividly from here. So first, if you handle the camera, where would your mind go to? The on and the off. This is what we call the on and the off. So if you take it to the right, look at the screen, it's turning on. Okay, take it to the left, look at the screen, it's going off. So to the right is on, to the left is off. So where would your mind go to next after you on your camera? You would like to take a shot. So this place, this middle here, there's a button here, a very light button here that you're seeing. It's called the shooter. It's called the shooter. This is where you can use to snap. Okay, let's take an example. You put it on, right? Next thing you do, press this. It will take whatever is in front of you. Okay, let's take go. So you can see it here after the on and the off. You see a button here. This gives you the chance to choose the mode you want to use in snapping. You see, it's in P, you turn it on, S, turn it on, A, turn it on, M. This is the manual. So from there, you can see this place you're seeing here. This place you're seeing here like this is called the flash. So, and this very space you're seeing, you can attach an external flash to it, a head flash. You can attach it to this place, but the camera itself has its own flash. Okay, if you on the camera, you see, turning on. If you on the camera, you can look at each side. This will take the camera on for you. This will take the camera on for you. Let's try it. This will take the flash on for you. Let's try it and see. Press it. You see, the camera is up, right? Okay, and if you see this place, this is what we call the function. This is what we call the what? The function camera. So this is what we call the function camera. Okay, and in this place we'll have the auto and the manual. If you take it to the, now it is in auto. If you take it to the manual here, the picture will not be sharp. So it is preferable leaving it at auto, right? Okay, and if you check it out, there are some of those buttons in face of the camera. Here we call it the play. So we call it the play. If you play it, you use the navigator key. Use the navigator key. So let's go that right again. If you say, you see, press play to bring out the pictures for you. Okay, now in this place, give you the, this is what we call the menu. You press this place, take you to the menu. You choose what you want to do. Is it the LCD brightness? Is it the info display? Is it CSM setup? Is it the memory card you want to format? Whatever you want to do here, this menu will take you there. So, and this very one allow you to zoom in picture and out. Okay, how do you use this very one? Check the play and try this. You see, it will out the picture. So, and this very one to bring out the, it will zoom in the picture. You see, okay, but this one too, you can access some of your settings through here, through this very last one. Press this one, press it again. You see, It will give you a lot of settings, maybe where you can set your ISO sensitivity, the picture mode. Go back there. You see, up here is fine. This is your ISO at 600. So all these, this is your activity lights, is always off. This is your flash compositions. If you add figure here, let's try this. You see, you can add and you can reduce, but for now I leave it 0 0. So this is the exposure composition. You can click it, so like you add or you reduce, but mine is at +2 currently. So after that, there's a little button here you can see with a delete sign, right? So in this one, should you take any rough picture and you wish to delete it, maybe like this one, I can say okay, delete. You see, like this one too, maybe I want to delete. See, delete. Yeah, that's the function of this one. But if you take it out, so there are some navigators keys here. This is used to move up, down, left, and right. How would you do it? Maybe you want to zoom out this picture. You see, you can use this to see the end by the right. You can see use this to see the left. Yeah, from the left. So, and if you want to nest an image too, maybe you play your camera like this and you want to nest an image, can you still use this key? You see, take your front. You see, okay, maybe you want to go back. You see, you want to go up, you want to go down. Yeah, up and front. So these are the functions of the navigator key. And if you handle a camera, actually there are some things I need to show you, of which is like I skipped. So you turn to the right here. This is where we inside the camera card. You see, this is where the first card, so it's indicated here. If you want to open it, you pull it out. You see, and leave it, it's on. So this is the camera, this is the memory card. Sorry, this is the memory card. Pull it out. You see, and you close it back. You close it like this, then you push it in. So if you want to put a memory card as we do earlier, you pull out here. You see, then you leave it. Then you see, memory card has a filament. It has a face, so you always turn it, let the filament be inside, and then you push it, right? It has peaked. Close it, then push in, right? So in this place, there is what we call a USB cable where you can use to import your picture. You see, you can, if you have a USB cable, assuming you have snapped a picture and you want to import it, this is where you use. So there's also a small hole here where you can put your maybe, assuming you have a microphone. Assuming you have a microphone, you can put it here. So that is all. So what again I need to show you right here, you see this place, there's a button here. These buttons lock your picture. These buttons lock your picture. You see, if I lock this now, you will not be able to delete it. You'll not be able to delete it. You see, that's it. So what else do I need to show you? Have you seen, okay, great, I've not shown you where we put the memory card. See, memory card where we put the battery. So you turn your camera down under like this. So there's a little clip here. You handle it. Hello, I pull it out. See the battery, bring it out. Maybe if you want to charge, this is a Nikon camera's battery. This is a Nikon camera's battery. So you can kindly return it and close it back. Right? So what else do I need to show you? So these are major guides now for a total beginners. So in my next videos, I will be showing you how you do your internal settings, how you can focus on an image and what have you. So if you find this my video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.